Episode 31: Creating a Business Website. Welcome, aspiring entrepreneurs. Today we're diving into an essential topic for your business journey: creating a business website. In this digital age, having a strong online presence is not just beneficial, it's vital for success. Whether you're starting a new venture or looking to enhance your existing website, by the end of this training, you'll have the knowledge and tools to create an impactful website that serves your business needs and engages your customers. Section 1: Understanding the importance of a website. First, let's discuss why a website is important. A website is often the first impression potential customers have of your business. Here are a few key reasons. Credibility. A professional website lends credibility to your brand, showing customers that you are legitimate and trustworthy. Reach. Your website can reach prospective customers 24/7, regardless of their location. Sales opportunities. An online platform allows you to showcase products or services, making it easier for customers to make purchases directly. Let's define a key term. Online presence. The visibility or representation of an individual or business online through a website or social media. Section 2: Planning your website. Next up, let's talk about planning your website. This step is crucial because it lays the groundwork for everything that follows. Here are the key steps to plan your website. 1. Define your goals. What do you want your website to achieve? Is it to sell products, generate leads, or share information? Identify your target audience. Who are they? What are their needs, preferences, and behaviours? Create a site map. Outline the structure of your website. What pages will you include? A typical site map may look like this. Homeo, about uso services, product, or blog or contact. With this planning, you're equipped to move on to the next step, designing your site. Section 3: Choosing a domain name. Now on to choosing a domain name. Here are the steps to perfect your domain choice. 1. Keep it simple. Aim for clarity and brevity. Avoid long names or complicated spellings. Include keywords. Think about incorporating relevant keywords that best describe your business. Select the appropriate extension. The most common extension is .com, but consider .net, .org, or industry-specific ones too. 4. Check availability. Use a domain registrar to verify if your desired domain is available. Define a keyword. Domain name. The web address where users can access your website, often reflecting your business name or purpose. Section 4. Selecting a hosting service. Next, let's discuss selecting a hosting service. Your hosting service stores your website and makes it accessible on the internet. Follow these steps. Understand different hosting types. Shared hosting. Cost-effective but may share resources with other sites. Dedicated. Hosting. More expensive but gives your site its own server. Cloud hosting. Scalable and flexible, suitable for growing businesses. Consider customer support. A responsive support team is crucial for resolving issues quickly. 3. Review pricing plans. Choose a plan that meets your budget without compromising on performance. Section 5. Designing the website. Now let's talk about designing your website, the point where your vision comes to life. Here's how to effectively design your site. Choose the right website builder. Options include Wix, user-friendly for beginners. WordPress, highly customizable for those with technical skills. Squarespace, visually appealing templates for creatives. Select a template. Pick a design that aligns with your brand identity. Maintain consistent branding. Use consistent colors, logos, and fonts throughout your site. Focus on user experience, UX. Ensure your website is easy to navigate. Use clear menus and optimize it for mobile devices. 5. Call to actions, CTAs. Always guide your visitors use CTAs like sign up, buy now, or contact us. Define a key term. User experience, UX. The overall experience a user has when interacting with your website, focusing on ease of use and satisfaction. Section 6. Creating compelling content. Next, we'll discuss creating compelling content. Quality content engages visitors and works for your SEO. Here's how. 1. Be clear and concise. Use simple language and short paragraphs. Aim for clarity. 2. Use high-quality images. Visual content captures attention first. Make sure images are relevant and professional. 3. Incorporate SEO best practices. Conduct keyword research to identify terms your audience uses and integrate them naturally in your content. Update regularly. Keep your content fresh and relevant, which encourages return visits. Define a keyword. SEO, search engine optimization. The process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results, increasing visibility. Section 7. Testing and launching your website. Before we wrap up, let's talk about testing and launching your website. Follow these steps to ensure everything runs smoothly. 1. Test functionality. Check all buttons, forms, and links. Ensure they work and lead to the right pages. Optimize for various devices. Test your website's responsiveness on mobile devices, tablets, and desktops. Check loading speed. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to review loading times and improve speed if necessary. Launch with a bang. Promote your new site through email newsletters, social media, and any marketing channels you utilize. Section 8. Post-launch strategies. Finally, let's discuss post-launch strategies. After launch, the work is just beginning. Here's what to do next. Monitor analytics. Use tools like Google Analytics to track visitor behavior and website performance. Engage with visitors. Encourage feedback through surveys or contact forms to learn about user experiences. 3. Update content regularly. Consistently add new blog posts, articles, or information to keep your audience engaged. Implement marketing strategies. Continue online marketing efforts to increase visibility, including SEO, social media marketing, and ads. Conclusion. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a business website. Remember, your website is an investment in your brand's future. Start today and take each step with intention and purpose. Ready to take your business to the next level? You can find more related materials to what we share here on bizbuddy.com.ng. bizbuddy.com.ng is a cutting-edge online resource hub, meticulously crafted to cater to the needs of entrepreneurs and business owners seeking a comprehensive repository of information, tools, and resources to bolster their business acumen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications on future episodes. Share your website creation journey in the comments below. What challenges did you face? I'd love to hear and support you through it. Thanks for watching, and good luck building your online presence.